Welcome everyone to another little stream that we're doing today in the morning. What we're gonna do today, just go over those pre-market levels, those things that we see, some setups that we might have, and then that's it. Those are short and sweet, typically 10 to 8 minutes, so just outline what we see in the market and what we did overnight. So let's get into it. Let's see what we got. Immediately to the left, what do we notice here? Let's see. Took this liquidity right there. All right. So yeah, so we took that liquidity, kind of a little triple top right there. Not triple top, but could not get above this previous week high. Got previous day low at the bottom. I'm still liking these. Like that. So it's kind of we're seeing a little bit of consolidation up here right now. I like the way that it took this liquidity though, and how we're kind of holding above it. No displacement below that liquidity kind of tells us that, hey, we could still come up a little bit, right? Stay high to low. Oop. Technically, we have not taken OTE of this yet. Yeah, 0.5. So our OTE is until over here of the previous day range, right? We swept the previous day high. Now we got previous day low. Last night we bounced nicely on this volume imbalance right there. Look at that. Just like right into it. Filled it. Bounced out of it. So let's take a look. Let's look at our 4 hour. Actually, hold up. We got this fair value gap right there. Almost like that for maybe something like this. And then we can bounce from here, given that's the OTE over here. And if that OTE wants to hold, then we can kind of get going from there. How about that? How about that little plan? And then from here, if we really want to, then we can, right, something like that. Or outside day, right? I'm not gonna deny myself an outside day. I love an outside day. Let's take a look here. Let's outline our 4 hour range as we usually do. There's a thing that we've noticed from trading is if you take this 2 a.m. 4 hour candle, I typically see the next 4 hour candle in some way retrace into the OTE of it and then kind of go from there. So we still have not touched OTE on it. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, let's see the reaction that we get off of this fair value gap right there. Yeah, so we can try that. Other than that, I mean, you do have nice liquidities left up top, right? You do have that. What do we got? You do have all of those, like those Asian session highs. Like London did not sweep it. Honestly, today we could even see a little S&D day, but you can see on a higher time frame how we were kind of consolidating. Looks like almost a similar move as last night. Maybe we'll dump it to open a little bit and then come back up in the second half of the day. There's news at 10 a.m. So everybody be aware of that. Let me take one last thing that we can look at here. Typically anything post 2 a.m. little manipulation. -3s, -2s. Yeah, that's not too bad. I like that. Yeah, so it does give us a good estimate of like, yeah, this can reverse, right? But no, but with the reversal from -2.5, it can come up and retest 50% of the range, right? So, like I said, just come into OTE of it about 50%, like 618. Probably watch for a reaction around these levels right here. Something. Something almost like that, right? That's what we would. That's what we would want to see possibly, right? And then just take that liquidity again. So on the 15-minute, what do we have? Yeah, our previous day low. All right. On that note, I think I might cut it here. Just a short and sweet little stream. We don't go too in depth on everything. Let me see that this. Yeah, crypto is kind of like as little as expected. Just monthly opens. Typically, we'll see a little pullback into it, I think. Silver, Jupe, Fet, Sheeb. We'll wait for those two to give us a clear entry point, and then we'll talk about those. But on that, thank you guys. What up, Tim? Thank you for tuning in, sir. But on that note, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this short little sweet stream. We'll see you later tonight. Shane and I will be on. We'll look at some names again. Look over some crypto names. What up? Just went over some levels. Probably looking for a possible rejection on this fair value gap. I don't know what you're looking at. Got a little W on the 5 though. That's my only concern, but I'm looking for possible rejection off of these levels right there. Continuation down. That's where I stand right now. Yeah. That's the all overnight looks like a big M to the downside on the 15. That's what you're talking about. This whole little huge thing. Would not mind getting a completion on that. Yep. Yeah. Still in that little range. They could keep us in here considering we got fucking non-farm on Friday. So and that tapping into Fillmore downside monthly wick. Yeah, exactly. We'll manipulate down on the new monthly open and then go from there. All right, y'all. On that note, appreciate you for tuning in. Make sure you follow Big Timmy Hedge on Twitter. He's in the comments right now. Make sure you follow Hayes Beats on Twitter as well. Check out the link right there, www.papertraders.io. That's all your tools. That's how you can join the community and see all the in-depth analysis that we do and all the plays that we post in there. We don't do alerts, just a heads up on that. We just give you the outline to like, hey, watch out for this, watch out for that. And you take your own trades on that. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. I was going to say last night that charts. Yeah. I did want to look at the. Okay, I'll look at one more thing. Monthly chart on. Okay, on Q's. Huge fucking wick. Jeepers. Sandy. Daily. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, Timmy says Discord levels are always on point, so make sure you hop in there, even if it's for a week, right? $9.99 a week, or if you want to hop in for a month, see how you like it. No pressure. On that, then guys, if you do follow Timmy's link in his description, I believe you'll get a nice little discount on that as well. So, thank you guys. We'll see ya on the next one.